Hey, time to talk about data. We all deal with data day in and day out with different forms of data and your numbers, or it may be hospital reports. Like what professional was sharing with me that this data has become so important. We can understand and analyze this data. We are actually sitting on a $1 million fortune. Who actually can help us to systematically understand and analyze data? We're going to talk about a career today in data science. So let's try to understand first what is data science. So data science is a broad field that has data at its core, as the name suggests, and this data is accumulated, arranged, and analyzed to examine its effect on businesses. So data scientists, what they do, they choose and they build appropriate algorithms and models so they can analyze the data better and uncover various insights from it. So Netflix use of viewership data to give better movie recommendations, and Facebook's use of past interactions to give more targeted ads to users are all examples of data being put to use to gain a deeper level of understanding. So in this way, data scientists are like detectives finding patterns out of data to help businesses make smarter decisions, and also help to create algorithms behind products and websites that make use of huge amounts of data to make important recommendations. Like example, Google Maps estimates your ETA based on huge amounts of data accumulated from other people on the same route using the app. And the data scientists convert raw data into valuable information for businesses. For they possess knowledge in many different areas like software development, data mining, databases, mathematics, statistics, machine learning, and even data visualization. Now, there is an often confusion between the terms of data science, big data, and data analytics. Let's try to understand all these three properly. Generally, because all these three terms they deal with data, there's a lot of confusion surrounding them. And most people are not aware that they are not the same and there are many differences between the three terms. Coming first to data science, is a science or a study of data which involves creating algorithms and models to extract some information or knowledge from the data. To understand कि इस data कैसे behave कर रहा है, what is the knowledge for the data. And big data is basically a term that describes large amounts of data, as the name suggests, right? So it is not a field in itself, but the analysis of big data is used in many different fields and to make better decisions by businesses. So data analytics, they refer to the analysis of data for drawing conclusions out of it. So it is mainly used by businesses to make strategic decisions and solve problems. So thus, in simpler terms, data scientists, they build the tools and algorithms that can be used to make sense of data, including big data. And for this, they will utilize technology, machine learning, and mathematical principles. On the other hand, data analysts apply these models to analyze business data of all kinds. They help to make smarter business decisions. Even the use of Excel by business falls under the purview of data analysis. So a big data analyst would just utilize large amounts of data that cannot be processed by traditional tools like Excel. Now let's try to understand about the demand for a career in this field. We all know that data is everywhere, right? From the votes we give in political elections to the pictures we upload on Instagram, everything is data. And reports estimate that in the near future, there would be as much as 2 MB of digital data that will be created each second for every single person on the planet. So with so much data and information available, organizations are focusing more and more on using the insights from this data to evaluate progress, build solutions, and make important decisions. And this is not just a global phenomenon. Even in India, it is witnessing a huge surge of opportunities in the field of data science and data analytics. So a recent report by Advancer and Analytics India magazine revealed that India has the most number of data analytics jobs after the US. And there is a possibility of 70,000 plus positions which are currently available. It's not surprising that the data scientist is being called the hottest job in the 21st century. And many students are doing courses in data science, not only from the field of science, but even from other fields also. They're learning about this data. And it's making its presence felt everywhere. And according to McKinsey and company, big data will become a key basis of competition, which will be underpinning new waves of productivity, growth, innovation, and it will also result in a consumer boom. We want to understand, how can I start a career in this field? So due to its multidisciplinary nature, data science requires you to have a broad set of skills, including knowledge of mathematics, statistics, computer science, and hacking or coding, coupled with substantial expertise in businesses or a field of science. So knowledge about the concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning are also beneficial. Thus, to build a career as a data scientist, degrees in mathematics, statistics, economics, engineering, computer science, etc. can help form a good base. Next comes, these are some of the UG institutes, undergraduate institutes, from where you can pursue data science from, or similar courses. Like you have Indian Statistical Institute, ISI, which has multiple locations where you can do your B Stat or your B Mathematics, Bachelor of Mathematics or Bachelor of Statistics. Then we have Delhi University, which has various colleges where you can do a BSc in Mathematics or Statistics, or even your BSc Computer Science bhi aap kar sakte ho, and then also you can pursue a degree or a career in data science. Then we have IIT Kanpur, where you have BTech, and you have even Bachelor of Science in Mathematics and Scientific Computing. Then comes your IIT Bombay, where you can do a 5-year MSc program in Mathematics. We have also Indian Institute of Science Education and Research in multiple locations, like BSMS program for science, which is befitting students. And for post-graduation, you could actually pursue a postgraduate degree in business analytics, big data, data science, or any of the other fields mentioned before, like mathematics, statistics, computer science. So what are the PG institutes? Like we have ISB Hyderabad, we have certificate in business analytics, you can do from ISB. Then IIM Bangalore, it has a program in business analytics and intelligence at the postgraduate level. And even IIM Calcutta has executive program in business analytics. Plus IIT Kharagpur, ISI and IIM Calcutta, they have a joint program where they are offering this postgraduate diploma in business analytics, PGDBA. And there are many more options, like we have SP School of Global Management, IGI School of Business, Great Lakes Institute of Management, which are postgraduate program in business analytics that will also be pursued. And even global universities are there, like we have Carnegie Mellon, where you have Master of Information Systems, you have Business Intelligence and Data Analytics, or MS, or Masters of Science in Computational Data Science. And we have Texas A&M University, where you have a master's course in analytics. Even the same is available at Georgia Institute of Technology at the United States. Imperial College in London also has MSc in Business Analytics, MSc in Computing, and very famous MIT. Definitely, it has also courses in Masters of Business Analytics. While degrees can help you enter the fields or form a base, there are many good online platforms also that offer certification in data science as well as specific skills that are required for it. They can also prove very useful for entering this field, and you can actually land up a job even after pursuing these certifications also. Next comes, what are the skills that are required to become a data scientist? The skills that you need is, basic use of statistical tools and fast mathematical calculations, ability to work with large numbers and calculations, good grasp of programming languages like Java or Perl or C, C++, Python, etc. Extensive knowledge of data analytics softwares like SAS, R, Hadoop, and Tableau. Then also you could consider familiarity with SQL database techniques is important. It's very important for a data scientist to have critical reasoning skills and problem solving ability, but to have data visualization and communication ability is also very important. Now comes the very important question. What are the career or the job opportunities after completing a degree or a course or a certification in data science? So the most prominent ones include data scientist, which is the core analytics part of big data. And data scientists are actually involved in understanding and exploring data patterns in order to analyze their impact on business. And they will basically using statistical and mathematical models to simplify the data. And along with analyzing data, data scientists will also devise solutions for the complexity in the data. It is बहुत variations है, तो क्यों है, all those things. Then comes data engineer, and this role is basically usually for all software engineers who are involved in the non-analytical part of big data. And their work role is more focused on coding, cleaning up data sets, and implementing suggestions in data solutions that come from data scientists. Then comes your business intelligence professional. So business intelligence specialist is involved in the market research of various structured and unstructured data and generates reports to analyze the business trends. So they are trained to work on SQ and other statistical tools, and they send these reports to the management and update the data models as and when required. Then comes data manager. So also sometimes known as database administrators, they are involved in the structuring of data and management of unstructured data. And they are responsible for creating the infrastructure and database systems that meet the needs of research and data science teams for the information that has been gathered. And the managers, they will review data for inconsistencies and conduct maintenance of data. Then comes your data analysts. So data analysts, as I previously suggested, help make sense of large amounts of data specifically for use by businesses. So they work with SQL databases, Excel, Tableau, and other software to analyze various kinds of data. Example, website traffic, sales figures, operational costs, and they then create reports to be used to create solutions and make strategic decisions. And apart from this, many other specialized roles are available in the field of machine learning, artificial intelligence, and big data, which are upcoming. Coming to the summary, so I hope this particular video helps you get a direction to start your career in the field of data science or big data or machine learning. And big data is definitely going to be the next thing that is going to come up, and there's no doubt about it. So thank you very much for watching this particular video. I hope it was very insightful for you. And about this prominent and popular career that is coming up, you got some insights, some myths were resolved, and you could understand the difference between big data, data science, and data analytics.